no. Good morning.
Why?
Good morning, everybody. I hope everybody's having a good day, morning. This is fun. I was gonna go move around and exercise this morning, but I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna eat something and maybe work out later in the day. So that should be good. But right now I'm gonna go make some breakfast. I think I'm gonna make pancakes because why not? Then I'm gonna edit. Boop. And it's craft day. We're gonna do crafts all day today. Well, in the afternoon because I have to do influencer things. Let's do it. Yay. Also, I still can't feel my lips. I don't know. Hi. There's so much hair on me. Okay, I just went to a cafe to upload my video, so that's good. It's up. And I was gonna go like dance or stretch or something, but I just have like no energy at all. I don't know, like something is going on. I'm not quite sure what it is. I just gonna have this like weird headache and like I'm tired, and I think I'm just like not getting like that good of sleep. Like it's like I'm sleeping, but I don't know if I'm sleeping like good. You know what I mean? I don't know. So I think I'm just gonna chill. But we're gonna go home and make some lunch, and then we will get started with our craft. And yeah, so I'll see you when I get home. I would talk to you more, but I can't really talk, so. Oh, hi. Did you need a treat? You have to sit. You have to sit. Oh, good dog. We can do it, Mom. Ready? Come on. See, now I'm ready to go. You're ready to go? Uh-huh. Mommy and I were feeling unmotivated, so I had to do it to him. What's going on out here, Dad?
Giving the bush a haircut.
Giving the bush a haircut? Do you want to show the vlog the bush?
Hi, I'm Dad.
Hi, Dad.
Today was haircut day.
Wow.
This bush had overgrown. The sidewalk by about this much. It was a safety hazard.
Okay.
So I got the. Let me show you. This is basically.
Wow.
This is basically the scissor for the haircut.
Okay.
And Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Okay, I'm gonna go do some Christmas crafts. Hi, it's Christmas craft time. Yay. Okay, so I'm gonna make these Starbucks cups, but I'm gonna make Allison one. Basically, I just buy these like the reusable Starbucks cups. They're like $2 or $3. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to emboss her name on it. And then all around the cup, I'm gonna do those like 90s looking 2000s flowers. I don't know, I think those are really cute. I think she would really like this blue. I'm gonna draw out my design just with a pencil on the cup. But I wrote Allison, and then we have some of the big flowers that are gonna go on it. So now hopefully you can see the design a little bit better. So I like using the embossing pens. This is a black one. So basically what this is when you draw, the ink in there is like this sticky stuff, and whatever the ink is on, this powder will stick to. So this ink will never dry. And then you add heat to it and it gets all glossy and shiny. It's very satisfying. Ta-da! I take a paintbrush because there's still some like dust left over and stuff. I just brush that away. So there we go. That's what it looks like. And then you don't waste any. So then, ready for this? Bum, bada, bum. So then her name is like on there and she can wash it, do all the things, and ta-da! So now I'm gonna go and do the flowers, and yeah. So you already saw Allison's, her name, and then we have obviously the flowers, and then on top I added a flower on the straw hole. Just thought that that was appropriate. And then I have this one from my friend Melanie in this like shimmery purple color, and then I did little hearts around it. Just felt like it was simple. Melanie's kind of a simple gal. And then for my friend Callie, I have her name in black. And we also have those same like retro looking flower situations. Swag. I honestly don't know if Callie watches my videos, but Callie, if you're watching this, Callie lives in Utah. Ta-da! Merry Christmas. This is being sent to you soon. Love you, babe. But I am seeing Melanie tonight, actually, and so I'm going to give this to her when I see her tonight. That's fun. I think now I have this random like outburst of like all of a sudden I feel completely normal and like have a lot of energy and everything is like I don't have a headache anymore. I don't know, just my body just is going in waves these days. So I'm gonna take advantage of that. I think I'm gonna go to my special basketball court spot. Ooh, just kind of dance around, exercise, move my body. Look where I am. It's my favorite spot. It's my favorite spot. It's my super secret trespassing spot. Okay, so there's this like big patch of grass that you have to walk through to get here, but there's no lights. It's very scary, and I didn't think I had a fear of the dark, but after doing that, I was a little scared, not gonna lie. But here I am. I'm gonna put my hair up. I think I'm going to do a dance workout situation video. I'm just gonna find one on YouTube and do that. It's like I want to feel the burn, but I want to have fun doing it. Otherwise, there's no point. Okay, I really want to learn that like TikTok dance is going viral, the Shakira situation, whatever that one is. Girl like me. I really want to learn it, so we're gonna learn it together. Okay, I've seen it so many times. I feel like I could just do it like from memory here. So we have da 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 dum, 1 and 2 and 3 and shuffle, shuffle something like me. Da 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 da, looking for a girl like me. Boom, boom, hip. Da da da. Oh no no. Do you like my singing? Do boom. No, like me. Oh shoot. Boom, boom. Okay. So there's 6 of those. Girl, I can't moonwalk for shit. I feel like I have to do it with my hair down so we get the like hair whipping section. My diaphragm's starting to hurt, so I'm gonna have to stop, but I think I did it, generally. If I embarrass myself, who gives a shit? Okay, it's almost time for dinner, so I'm gonna go home. Look who I'm with. It's Melanie, but I have to, they know.
They know?
They know.
What do you mean they know? What is happening?
They close your eyes.
Okay.
Wait, no, actually you can't because I have to hand it to you.
Cute. Oh.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
You can run over it with your car if you don't like. Merry Christmas. Melanie and I are gonna chat. We're gonna gossip about Obama and
Oh, good.
yeah, we're gonna have a spitting contest.
Oh.
Hi, I just got home and made myself my dessert. Today we decided to go with like a apple pie inspired moment. Now that's a flavor. It was really good seeing Melanie. Melanie, I know you're watching this. Appreciate you, girlfriend. Love you. Melanie's the best. I'm spilling everywhere. But I think that's where we're gonna end today's vlog. I love you. Oh, question of the day. What is your favorite holiday or Christmas time movie? For me, Elf, hands down. Love Elf, always have, probably always will. It's a classic, never gets old. What's your favorite holiday movie? If you didn't watch the vlog where this happened, basically I'm allergic to strawberries and I didn't realize it, but I ordered a smoothie at this place that had strawberries in it. Now my lips are numb and will be for probably the next week or so, but I can still move them. It's just like the outer skin of my lips. Like I can't feel the difference between like the skin and my lip. Like it's kind of itchy. That's it. Don't forget to answer the question of the day. Don't forget to drink water. We have to drink water. Go take care of yourself. And I love you and I'll see you tomorrow. No, maybe not. Well, maybe we're doing a fun activity tomorrow because tomorrow's fun activity Sunday. Anyways, I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, bye.